Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is pair of linear equations in two variables solving by substitution method. For this substitution method, first of all you should be give its name equation 1 and 2. Then either consider 1 or 2 and find out value of in form of x or y. So suppose I consider here 1. So consider equation 1. So what you have? X plus 2y is equal to 5. Now convert this equation in form of either x or y. So suppose I convert in form of x. So x is equal to 5 minus 2y, because plus 2y become a minus 2y. Now after converting this equation into form of x is equal to or y is equal to, you substitute this variable value in equation other. That means if you consider 1, then substitute in 2. If you consider 2, substitute in 1. That's why its name is substitution method. So now I put this value in equation 2 or substitute in equation 2. So give its name 3. Substitute 3 in 2. Substitute 3 in 2. So how? Your 2 is 3x plus 5y is equal to 13. Now put instead of x 5 minus 2y. So 3 as it is, instead of x you should be write 5 minus 2y plus 5y as it is. This is also as it is. Ultimately substitute this value. Now remove bracket. So 3 5s are 15 minus plus minus 3 2s are 6y plus 5y is equal to 30. Collect like terms. So these two are collect and this change sides. So minus plus minus 6y minus 5y is y and biggest digit sign minus 13 as it is, and change side of this 15 become a minus 15. So you have minus y is equal to plus minus minus 15 minus 30 is 2, biggest digit sign minus 2. So your value of y in form of numerical is 2, because minus minus plus. Now put this value in 3. So you got value of x. So x is equal to 5 minus 2y. So here you should be write put y is equal to 2 in 3. So instead of y you should be write 2. So x is equal to 5 minus 2 into 2. So your x is equal to 5 minus 4. So your x is equal to 1. So your solution of given two pair of linear equation by substitution method is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So this is called your answer. That means x and y is value. Now consider one more example. This is a word problem. So first of all you convert a given word problem into a linear equation. So read question carefully. Then you should be decide what you want to find in your question, and whatever you want to find you supposed to take two variable x and y. So read question carefully. The cost of a table is thrice the cost of a chair. The total cost of 4 chairs and a table is rupees 2100. Find the cost of a table and the cost of a chair. We talking about here cost of a table and chair, and you want to find cost of a table. A table that means one table cost, and a chair that means one chair cost. So you should be supposed to variable for a chair and for a table. Let cost of a table be, this is cost, that's why you should be use symbol rupees. The cost of a table be rupees x and cost of a chair be rupees y. After supposing variable, write given verbal condition. So first condition is now the cost of a table is So now the cost of a table is thrice the cost of a chair. This is your first condition up to this. So first write verbal and now convert it into a mathematical form. Cost of a table. A table, that means table's cost. What is a table? That means one table cost x. X is, that means equal to thrice, twice, fourth, that means multiply by a given number. So thrice, that means 3 multiply the cost of a chair. What is the cost of a chair? Y. So 3 into y. That's why your equation 1 become x is equal to 3y. This is your equation 1. Now read the next condition and convert it into a mathematical form. So you should be write next condition verbally. The total cost of a 4 chair. Now the total cost of 4 chair and a table is rupees 2100. So converted into a mathematical form. Total, that means addition. Cost of 4 chair. 1 chair cost is 1. So 4 chair cost is 4y. And a table that means x is, that means equal to 2100. Now after getting two pair of linear equation, I want to solve these two equations by substitution method. So consider one or two, one of them. So I consider one. Consider 1. So direct you have value x is equal to 3y. Consider 1, x is equal to 3y. Put or substitute whatever you want to write. X is equal to 3y. Put in equation 2. So what is your equation 2? This. Instead of x you should be write 3y. So this become a 4x plus, instead of x write 3y. 3y is equal to 2100. So your, sorry, this is 4y. Okay. So plus plus plus, this is like term, so its addition is possible. So this become a 7y is equal to 2100. So y is equal to 2100 divided by 7. That means 300. After getting this value, you should be put here. So now y is equal to 300. Put in x is equal to 3y. So x is equal to 3 into 300. That means 900. After getting value of x and y, you should be write your answer in verbal, because in your question not to find value of x and y. Here you want to find cost of a table and cost of a chair. So after finding value of x and y, you should be write your answer according to your question. What the cost of a table. Table, that means what cost? It's x. That means 900. The cost of a table is rupees 900 and the cost of a chair is rupees 300. If you want to cross check, then cross check. X is 3y, so x is your 900 and y is 300. So 3 into 300, 900. Ultimately your answer is right. If you really like my channel, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.